Here are 7 strange and fascinating facts about chimpanzees. Chimpanzees are far more intelligent and complex than most people think. First of all, their ability to use tools is highly developed. In the wild, they deliberately use stones to crack nuts, and this technique is not only learned individually, but also passed down from generation to generation. Another remarkable trait is their ability to recognize themselves in a mirror. This skill shows a high level of self-awareness and is extremely rare in the animal kingdom. Their social lives are just as impressive as their intelligence. Within their groups, chimpanzees use behaviors such as hugging, holding hands, and physical contact to greet one another, make peace, and strengthen social bonds. Just like in humans, facial expressions in chimpanzees can be misleading. For example, a chimpanzee's smile does not always indicate happiness. It often signals stress, fear, or tension. From a scientific perspective, the connection between humans and chimpanzees is even more surprising. About 98% of their DNA is shared with humans, which explains why many of their behaviors seem so familiar to us. Chimpanzees are also capable of deception. They can pretend or act in certain ways to mislead others, especially when trying to gain access to food. This shows that they can plan ahead and use strategies. Finally, different chimpanzee communities have their own unique sounds and communication styles, often described as dialects. Groups living in different regions may express the same behaviors using different vocalizations. All of these traits reveal that chimpanzees are not just wild animals, but highly intelligent and deeply social beings. Chimpanzees are among the closest living relatives to humans and are animals with extremely complex behaviors. One of the most interesting aspects of their lives is their sleeping habits. Every night, chimpanzees bend tree branches and use leaves to build their own beds. These beds provide comfort and also help protect them from predators. Interestingly, they usually build a new bed each night. In their social lives, power and hierarchy play a crucial role. Becoming an alpha male is not achieved through physical strength alone. It also requires intelligence, patience, and the ability to form the right alliances. Some chimpanzees may spend months carefully planning in order to rise to a leadership position. Chimpanzees are also emotionally complex beings. They have been observed mourning their dead, helping sick or injured group members, and forming strong social bonds. These behaviors clearly demonstrate their highly developed sense of empathy. Their diet is far more diverse than many people realize. While fruit is their primary food source, chimpanzees also meet their protein needs by eating insects, ants, termites, and occasionally hunting small mammals. In fact, some chimpanzee groups engage in organized hunting, showing remarkable cooperation. All of these traits prove that chimpanzees are not merely wild animals, but highly intelligent beings capable of thinking, planning, and forming deep emotional connections.